Welcome to my channel GK Mind. Which animal swims in an upright position? Answer: seahorse. How many legs does a scorpion have? Answer: 8. The age of giraffe is calculated from its answer: color of body parts. What kind of animal is a Russian blue? Answer: cat. What is the largest type of cat in the world? Answer: tiger. What is the name of an adult female horse? Answer: Mare. How many wings does a bee have? Answer: 4. Which animal has the greatest range of vision? Answer: giraffe. How does a frog breathe? Answer: through skin. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.